Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can make an A4 size document in your Canva account really quickly and without any technical skills. It is very simple, guys. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Canva, and as you can see I prepared an A4 document like this that I may, for example, export in PDF or add various designs or documents to it and customize it. This is how you can do it as well, guys. Head over to Canva. Click on these three lines in the top left corner to open your menu, and after that click on create here to create a completely new design. After that, here in that window, simply use that search bar here and type in A5 A4, and select one of these suggestions below, like for example document A4 landscape or with a portrait orientation. So I can go with this one here for demonstration purposes. That is going to open up a completely new untitled design with A4 size. So here you may simply customize it, add for example ready to use customizable templates if you click on design here, or add various elements, text boxes, images, and so on and so forth. So I can go for example with I don't know, let's say this document type here, table of contents. You may customize it and so on and so forth. And last but not least, if you'd like to save it or export it in PDF, guys, simply click on share in the top right, click on download here, and under file type select PDF standard or print if you'd like to print it. What you may do also, guys, if you're not content with that canvas size, you may simply resize it. If you have access to a premium subscription here on Canva, you will see that by that crown icon here in the top left corner, and simply use one of the suggested canvas sizes here, or choose a custom size and simply select the width and the height here. Select the units like centimeter, px, inches, and so on and so forth, or simply go with one of these pre-made or ready to use canvases here. Click on more and select one of these like book cover, calendar. If you'd like to resize your A4 paper, let's say to a mind map, just like that, click on copy and resize here. That is going to resize your document. Open. And that's it. As you can see now, it has been resized. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.